here with Camille at the boys' home, and I know in India everybody talks about protecting the girl child, educating girls, and there's a lot of many situations to do with protecting girls. But what I was interested in is helping both boys and girls. And when I met Camille and she said, it was the next project she really wanted to do was Bachpan for boys, I was really excited about it. So Camille, from your perspective, why was it important for you to have not just a girls' home but also focus on boys as well?
Because at this, particularly at this growing stage, boys and girls are both equally vulnerable. They both are exposed to all the crimes of society. They have the same kind of torturous childhood. So I don't see any difference at this particular. Yes, if you are speaking about adolescents, if you are speaking about girls of an older age, definitely they are much more at risk than the boys' counterpart. Here in my home also, we have a couple of children who have had physical abuse done on them, being boys.
It's very sad. I mean, this home is really lovely. I mean, we're sitting here kind of squashed in the corner because this room is really small. But it's a lovely room, and it's just so nice to see that these boys are safe and protected, and they're really still tiny. They're tiny children. They're still vulnerable. They cannot take care of themselves, and to know that some of these children are not just on their own living on the streets, but working, trying to make money to support themselves is absolutely heartbreaking. And you see this all the time, but these are the real children that are street children, and these are the ones that that really need our help. So thank you, Camille, for all you do. We're so proud to help you at Baldwin.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We're here on the terrace of the boys' home, and it's a pretty large space, and one of the next goals that Camille has is, because she has this space, is she needs to do more with it. Right now it's just being used to hang clothes and washing up. So one of her goals is to do what she did in the girls' home, which is what Baldan funded, is to take this space and convert it into a boys' dormitory. Then they would have a play area, they'll all have individual spaces for beds, they can have another blackboard, and they can have just a lot more space. The cost to do that in US dollars is about $9,000 US, and it would mean closing off this space, outfitting it, the painting, the walls, the works. And of the total amount that's required, Camille's already got squirreled away. She's raised a little bit of money towards it, but she needs the balance. So this is one of the things we can try to help Camille with, because really it's what we do at Baldan, is we look at places that are understaffed, that are underfunded, that are doing really good work, and what will really improve the quality of life for the children. And changing this space into a dormitory absolutely would. Having seen what you did with the girls and doing this exact same type of construction, I know that you've done it before, you're proven, you're trustworthy. I know you can get it done. It's just a matter of raising the funds. So that's just one of the things that would be our goals for the next year, and to try to get it done and help you.
Thank you so much.